You probably know the feeling already, getting those butterflies in your stomach when you're with someone you like. Well, it's not just a feeling or thought that goes on in your head. It's an actual biological thing that happens. Because when you're feeling those sexy feelings, your body is releasing a rush of oxytocin. This causes you to flush and get excited towards another person. I mean, the kind where you could just use a knife to cut the tension because it's so strong. You see, sexual tension is important when you're trying to establish a romantic relationship with someone. Because let's face it, you want to be physically attracted to the person you date, right? But believe it or not, sexual tension isn't just limited to physical attraction. There's also something called intellectual or mental attraction too. With this type, you find yourself getting turned on by how they can carry on a conversation with you. You might find their mind absolutely fascinating, or you think you have so much in common and have a strong connection. As you can see, sexual tension can exist on a number of different levels, not just the physical. But there are some men who don't know how to read the signs that a girl wants him to make a move. Instead, they sit back and wait for her to tell him, which doesn't often happen. Now, one way to get a guy to realize you want him to plant one on you is to create sexual tension. Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about how to create sexual tension with a guy you want. Before I start, please subscribe to my channel if you're yet to, and do not forget to turn on post notification. Now, when trying to create sexual tension with a guy you want, the first thing you should do is close the distance between the two of you. I mean, you need to get close. Sexual tension can't be created from far away. You need to be able to get close and really build a bubble around the two of you. Number 2 is to turn on your flirtatious charm. See, flirting is essential. If you're not even flirting with someone, how can you show them you like them? A guy needs to know you're into him, and the best way for that is flirting. Once he sees that you're trying to flirt with him, it will feel like a switch turning on. So start making some flirting moves with him, and he will definitely sense that you want him to go for it. Number 3 is to draw attention to your lips. Your lips are more powerful than you think. So if you can get a guy thinking about your lips, then he will think about kissing you. And when he's thinking about kissing you, the sexual tension will increase significantly. You can do this easily by biting your lip or even just touching your lips casually. No matter how he starts thinking about your lips, it will just be enough to create sexual tension. Number 4 is to lower your voice. Now, not only does lowering the pitch of your voice increases the sexual tension, but being quiet does too. It gives the space between you two a sensual vibe that requires him to move in closer to hear you. And when he's that close to you and you're still speaking in such a low voice, it thickens the air with that sexual tension, and he will want to make a move in no time. Number 5 is to initiate physical contact. You see, touching someone in a suggestive way will definitely make them start looking at you sexually. If you just can't seem to get a guy to understand you want him to make a move through flirting or any other means, then touch him. You can easily make this sexy by softly sliding your hand over his thigh when he makes a joke. This placement is really forward, and it's a move that should definitely be in your arsenal if you want to know how to create sexual tension with a guy. Number 6 is to flaunt what you've got. Know this, guys are very visual. So if you want to get that sexual tension rippling through the air, then show a little skin. You don't have to dress provocatively to do this though. You could just unbutton the top of your blouse, hike your dress or skirt up a little bit when you sit, and show them what you've got. When they get a peep of what you have, they will definitely want to make a move. Number 7 is to give him a compliment that fits his ego. Compliments go a long way, especially with guys. So give him a compliment that's a little sexy and the type that will play right into his ego. For instance, mentioning that he has amazing lips is one way to get sexual tension running up. Number 8 is to let the naughtier jokes out. I mean, it's okay to let your naughty side out if you want a guy to make a move. You only need to be careful not to take it so far he thinks you just want to hop into bed with everyone. So make a joke and give him a wink. He will take that suggestive behavior and understand that you totally want him to make a move. Number 9 is to confess your feelings. If you actually like this guy, tell him. It can be as easy as saying, "I really like you," after he just made you laugh from a joke. It's simple, but it's a great way to know how to create sexual tension with a guy. Sometimes all he needs is the hint that you like him and he will go for you. Number 10 is to lean in and whisper something in his ear. Now, this is a very flirty trick to create sexual tension. Not only does feeling your warm breath on his ear peck up all his sexual senses, but that maneuver is fairly obvious that you totally want him to make a move. Number 11 is to make the move yourself. We all know some guys just won't pick up on any of these clues unless you want to come right out and tell him to kiss you. You might just have to go for it yourself. So give these tips a try, and if they don't work, lean in yourself and plant one on him. Thanks for watching to the end. Please subscribe to my channel if you're yet so, and do not forget to turn on post notification.